In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add Facebook leads to SalesBlink as prospects. So let's say you use SalesBlink for email automation purpose. Now you want every time a new lead is generated via Facebook, it should be added as a prospects in SalesBlink so you can further use them for your marketing campaign. Now we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Let's take a look as to how we do it. To automatically add Facebook lead ads as SalesBlink prospects, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write here Facebook lead ads to SalesBlink and create. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is made, an action can be send a confirmation message to the customer. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a new lead is generated via Facebook lead ads, the action can be add them as a prospect in SalesBlink. So let us begin and select Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will select new lead instant, connect, add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Since I was already logged into my Facebook account, I will not have to give any credentials. Now it will show you the various pages that I have created in my Facebook. You can see your stationery integration and so on. So I would want this page. I want whenever a lead is generated via hair transplant clinic, this page, it should be added here in the SalesBlink as prospect. So I'll show you my page here. This is the hair transplant clinic. You can see this is my business page here on Facebook. So I want whatever leads are generated for this page through this page, they should be added as prospects in SalesBlink. All right. So now the lead gen form. So this is the form I've created for my leads, hair transplant brochure form. And in case you have multiple forms, you can select from the menu. As I just had one, so it has auto-fetched this one form here. All right. Now let us just click on Save and Send Test Request. And you will see it is now waiting for a webhook response. So what we will have to do is, we will have to do a test submission, generate a dummy lead. So to see if Pabbly is able to capture the lead data here. All right. So I'll take you to this page and here you will see the various pages that I have. So I want the lead generation for this page, hair transplant clinic, and this is the form. You can see here, since there's just one form for this page, hair transplant clinic page, and therefore it has auto detected just this one form. Yeah. So now just a reminder here, before you create a new lead, make sure you delete the old one. I've already deleted. And now let us just preview the form. So this is the form here. I'll have to give the email, full name and phone number. So let us quickly give some dummy details over here as this is just for testing purpose. So you will see I filled in these details here. Full name Remo dummy, email remo@pabblytudes and the contact number. Now I will just select next and submit the form. And you will see it's submitted. Now let us go to Pabbly and see if it is able to capture the response. And yes, here it is. You can see the email address of the lead here, remo@pabblytudes, the full name, Remo dummy, the contact number is here, then the time at which it was created is here. This means we have successfully integrated our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now on to our action step. So here we will select SalesBlink as our action application. For the action event, we will select Add Prospect and Connect. Add new connection, and now it needs API key. So API key, you can just, if in the help text, you can read, you can get it from integrations page here. Either you can just open this in new tab, or I will take you to my SalesBlink account. This is the one you can see. I'm on the dashboard. Now on the top right corner, you will see a drop down here. From the drop down, you can select integrations. Okay. So let me open integrations in new tab. And this is the page. You can see integrations page here. If you'll scroll down here, you will see your API key. This is the one. Let's click on regenerate API key. And here you can just copy it. Okay. Now come back to Pabbly Connect and just paste the API key and save. All right, it's connected here. And now you will see it will ask us to give few details. We will have to select campaign name. So since I have just one campaign in my SalesBlink account, it is auto fetch this. In case you have multiple, you can select from the drop down. I'm going to select Pabbly integration. This is the campaign. I'll show you here. Let us go to my dashboard here. Then on the left hand side, you will see the menu, dashboard, campaign, companies, people, and other options. Click second option, that is campaigns here. So this is the one. You will see the campaign, this Pabbly integration like I showed you here. And now you will see the prospects. There are 2 prospects already added here in this campaign Pabbly integration. So let us view the prospects here. So you will see these 2 prospects are here, Dummy Demo and Sam Parker. All right, these are the 2 prospects over here. So I want this new lead that was generated through Facebook lead ads, Remo Dummy, should also be added here in this list as a prospects. All right. Now let us come back to Pabbly. On to the SalesBlink action. You will see we will have to map in a few details. So now it needs first name. So we'll go to Facebook lead ads and let us map the name from here. You can see the full name here, but before we map in the name details, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting these Facebook lead ads details here from. So for that, I will take you to my step 1 where we integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly, then selected our Facebook page and form, did a test submission, generated a dummy lead, and Pabbly captured the response here like you can see over here. So Pabbly has brought exactly same response here in the SalesBlink action, and that's how we are going to map. So let us map, but you will see the only problem here is it needs first name and last name separately while we have first name and last name together. So what we are going to do is we are just going to remove this, scroll above, add an action step in between and select here text formatter. For the action event, we will select split text, connect. Now here we will have to map text to split. So we will give the full name here. And now separator. So all right, let us read the help text. Enter the character or special characters, even they are allowed, or word separator to split the text on. In case you have space as the separator, you will have to use these space written inside 2 curly brackets. Okay. So what we want is we want full name to be splitted into 2, first name and last name. We want these 2, Remo and Dummy, separately that are currently connected by a space in between. Okay. And therefore we will use space as separator here so that it is separated from between from here and we can get Remo and Dummy separately. Okay. Now in the segment index, since we want both of them separately, we are going to select all here. Okay. Now let us just click save and send test request. And you will see it is separated and given us separately Remo and Dummy. All right. Now let us come back to SalesBlink and reconnect. Why we will reconnect? Because we added a step in between here, you can see. And so to get the updated details, updated response here in the SalesBlink, so that we can finally map in first and last name separately here, we are going to reconnect, okay? Since we were already connected earlier, we will this time go with existing connection instead of new connection. And you will see it's connected. Again, campaign name remains same. Come back to first name and we are going to map it here from text formatter. We will take the first name Remo. Then let's scroll down and map the last name dummy as we separated the full name. Now let's take the email address. We are going to map email address from Facebook lead ads. Here you can see right on the top email address. Then there is contact number here. Again, we are going to take it from Facebook lead ads. This is the contact number. And in case you want to give the company, you can give the company as well. Since it is not a mandatory field, I'm going to leave it empty. So we have mapped in almost all the details. Now, before I click on save and send test request, just one quick thing. So these mapped in fields, like you can see first name, last name, email address and phone number. These mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is, the next time here, a new lead is generated via Facebook lead ads and Pabbly captures the response. Text formatter splits the full name. Here in SalesBlink, what will happen? The first name, last name, email address, phone number, these mapped in fields will automatically pick the new details. Automatically, they will fetch the new data and you will not have to do it manually. All right. Now, let us just click on save and send test request. And you will see the response has been received here. Success 1. Message prospect added to campaign Pabbly integration. All right. Now let us go to our SalesBlink account and see if this Remo dummy has been added as a prospect in Pabbly integration campaign. Okay. So this is the page here. You can see the earlier names that were earlier prospects that were already here. Dummy Demo and Sam Parker. Now let us just refresh this page. And you will see here Remo dummy has been successfully added as a prospect over here. You can see the contact number, the email address. And this means we have successfully integrated our SalesBlink and our Facebook lead ads using Pabbly Connect. Not only this, guys, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. For any queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com. Our team will definitely answer your queries. You can also visit our website on www.pabbly.com/connect. For latest updates, you can also join our Facebook group. Share this video with your friends and help them automate their businesses.